Now let's have some fun by adding some physics into our dragon. And if you remember from Colors app, the first thing we need to do is to start the physics engine. And top of the create function, game.physics.startSystem. And then we need to put in that constant, phaser.physics.arcade. And then we need to enable the dragon. So let's go down a bit towards the bottom. I like to put it at the bottom because everything else we declare needs to be set up by the time we start enabling. So game.physics.enable and put in the dragon, this dragon. And then that same constant that we had from the top, you can copy it if you want, phaser.physics.arcade. And now the dragon's body is ready to accept physics. So this dragon body, and body holds all the things related to physics, gravity.y equals 500. So we're saying for the world to have gravity of 500 pulling down on the dragon. Pretty cool. Do you see it? Let me play it again. Boom. And he just keeps going. But of course we don't want him to fall through the floor. So back up where we declared top, up the create statement, we'll make another variable called bottom. This bottom equals, and we'll take the bottom of the screen, so game height, and we'll subtract just 100. We can adjust it later if we need to. So let's go to the update event. So we can just constantly just keep checking the dragon's Y position. And if this dragon dot Y is greater than this bottom, then simply set the dragon's Y back to the bottom. But we also need to take the gravity off the dragon when we do this, because if we don't, he will eventually just keep falling through. So this dragon body gravity Y equals 0. And if not, then we need to set the gravity back to what it was. Otherwise, he'll hit the bottom and then gravity won't be applied to him anymore. So, and 500 is what we've got. Okay, so let's try that out. And he drops, and good, he's caught on the ground. But it's still a little low, so let me adjust that just a little bit. We'll set the bottom to -120. Yes, much better. And now he falls and flies along the ground, which is exactly what we want. Great, just a few lines of code.